ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು KPSC ಹೋಮ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ KCET ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಗೈಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ unofficial key answers. If any answer is wrong in this video, please comment it below the right answers, which will help other students in finding out the correct answers. Okay, have the version code D4. Okay, in this video, the first question is: injection of an antidote against snake bite is an example of. The answer is the passive immunity. Okay. The next question is: certain tumors are called malignant because they option C, they invade and damage surrounding tissues. Okay. The next one: the transport of which neurotransmitter is interfered by cocaine? The correct answer is dopamine. Next one: in the life cycle of plasmodium, fertilization takes place in stomach and mosquito. Okay. The next one: white rust resistant variety of brassica is Pusa shubra. Next: which of the following plant tissues cannot be used as explant in tissue culture? The correct answer is D. Okay. The next one is: the hybridization between naturally incompatible plants like potato and tomato can be achieved through option C. Next, somatic hybridization. Next, a chili plant was severely infected with chili mosaic virus, that is CMV. Identify the techniques that help to raise virus-free plants in the next generation from the above virus-infected plant. The answer is C. Okay, meristem culture. Next one: in sewage treatment, secondary treatment is considered highly significant because it reduces the BOD level of sewage. It's the right answer. Okay. Next one: ruminant animals can digest cellulose in their food, whereas human beings are unable to do so. This is because of methanogens are absent in human gut. Okay. The next one is: from the given combinations of steps in PCR, identify the enzymes dependent steps. The correct answer is extension only. Okay. The next one is: biolistics method is suitable to gene transfer into plant cells. Okay. Next one: identify the labels M and N in the following against gel electrophoresis representation. The correct answer is D. Okay. M is the largest DNA bands and N is the smallest DNA bands. Okay. Next one: in RNA interface, the dsRNA molecule prevents translation of messenger RNA. Okay. The next one: nowadays the early diagnosis of bacterial or viral infection in humans is possible using PCR. Okay. Next one: which of the following features of plants is not helpful in adapting to desert life? Is the absence of trichomes on leaf surface. Next one: in the following equation of Verhulst per logistic growth, the letter R denotes. The answer is intrinsic rate of natural increase. Okay. The next one: the shape of the pyramids reflect the growth status of the population. Identify the type of age pyramid representation below for human population. The correct answer is declining. Okay. Next one: identify the possible link M in the following food chain. It is plant, insect, M, which is the link regarding this food chain. Okay. The answer is frog. Next one: the organisms which invade a bare area to initiate an ecological succession are known as Pioneer species. Okay. Next one: which one of the following is not included under in situ conservation? The correct answer is botanical garden. Next one: which one of the following is a wrong statement? I mean, ozone in upper part of the atmosphere is harmful to animals. Okay, this is the wrong statement. Next one: according to Supreme Court of India ruling with respect to Bharat state norms, from which date these are supposed to be implemented in the country? That is 1st April 2020. Okay. Next one: match the following classes of fungi, column 1 with the example column 2. This we have to match. The correct answer is option A. Okay, one for one is R. Okay, likewise the correct answer is A. Next one, observe the following simplified scheme and choose the correct options that matches with the letter given in the boxes. For this one, option B. Okay, take a screenshot. Identify the floral unit in the given floral diagram. This one. The correct answer is A. Okay. Next one. A student observes grass and hibiscus plants in his garden during noon. To his surprise, only the leaves of grass were found rolled inwards. The reason could be the presence of bulliform cells in the grass leaves. Okay. The next question is, in the below diagram, identify the part which connects the peripheral microtubules to the central sheath. Okay. The correct answer is radial spoke. Next one, the element whose percentage weight is highest in both earth crust and human body is oxygen is the correct answer. Next, identify the event in meiosis mediated by the enzymes recombinase is option D, crossing over. Whether it is correct or not, in please comment it below. Okay, I have doubt in this one. Next, the deficiency of which of these elements interrupts photolysis of water during photosynthesis? The correct answer is B. Okay. Next one, in C4 plants, C3 cycles take place in dash, I mean bundle sheath cells. Okay. The next one, during citric acid cycle, the various organic acid undergo decarboxylation. Which of the following organic acids of the above cycle have 4C, 5C and 6C respectively? The correct answer is for this is C. Okay. Next one, consider the following statements regarding photosynthesis and respiration in plants and select the correct options. For this one is the correct answer is statement 1 and 4 are correct. Statement 3rd is wrong. Okay. The next one, match the digestive glands given in the column 1 with the respective enzymes given in the column 2 and choose the correct combination from the given options. For this one, that is regarding pancreas, and we have to match the enzymes, match the digestive glands given, okay, with the respective enzymes. For this one, the correct answer is option C. Check out. Okay. For example, pancreas, the answer is Q. Okay. This one. Same wise, match the different types of leukocytes with the percentage of occurrence in a healthy adult human and choose the correct answer. For this one, the correct answer is option A. Okay. For 1Q, same wise, neutrophils, that is correct answer is Q. Okay, 60 to 65%. Likewise, check this, take a screenshot of this one. Next, in which part of the human brain corpora quadrigemina is located? For this one, answer is midbrain. Okay. Next, a girl after attaining sexual maturity shows development of growing ovarian follicles, development of mammary gland, and high pitch of voice. These changes are attributed to dash, I mean estrogens. Okay, the estrogens hormones. In next one, in apple, the chromosome number of gametes is 17. What is the chromosome number in its primary endosperm nucleus, that is pen? Okay, the answer is 51. Next one, identify the vegetative propagal M in the following diagram. The correct answer is offset. Okay. Next one, during an excavation of soil, pollen fossils were retrieved from the deepest layer of soil. The pollen grains remained as fossils because the exon of pollen grains is highly resistant to enzyme actions. Okay. Next, identify the mismatch. The correct answer is synergist and diploid. Okay. Next, identify the correct order of events in the pollen pistil interaction from the options given below. For this one, the correct answer is C. Okay. Next one, match the month listed in column 1 with the organogenesis of fetus in column 2. Okay. For this one, the correct answer is A. Option is. Next one, when the fallopian tube is blocked at ampullary region, the ovum fails to move from. Option A is the correct one. Okay. Next one, identify the cells represented P, Q, R and S in the schematic representation of a genus shown below and choose the correct option. The correct option is this one, option A. Next, which of the following contraceptives could be effective in avoiding pregnancy if used within 72 hours after casual unprotected intercourse? The correct answer is option A. Next one, choose the correct statement regarding the gift procedure. The correct answer is B. Okay. Next question, which of the following characteristics was not studied by Mendel in his pea plant experiment? Leaf shape is the correct one. Okay. Next one, in an organism mutation in a single gene exhibits multiple phenotypic expressions. Identify the underlying genetic mechanism in the above instance. The correct one is B. Okay. Next one, a pure breeding pea plant with round yellow seeds was crossed with pea plant having wrinkled green seeds. On selfing of F1 hybrid of his cross, 64 progenies were obtained in F2 generation. Find out the number of F2 progenies showing non-parental characteristics. The option is 24. Okay. Next one, a man with blood group A marries a woman having blood group B. The maximum possible blood groups among their progenies are option A. Okay. The next one, the length of DNA helix in a typical nucleosome is 200 bp. Okay. The next one, which of the following types of RNA carries amino acids towards ribosome during translation? This one is option D. Okay. Next one, in eukaryotes, the entire base sequence of a gene do not appear in mature RNA because option D is the correct. Introns are removed during the processing. Okay. The next one question, suppose DNA samples collected for DNA fingerprinting analysis are less than the required quantity. Which of the following techniques is helpful to make the samples sufficient for the above analysis? The correct answer is PCR. Okay. Next one, when Escherichia coli cells are cultured in a medium where lactose is absent, the I gene of lactoperon continues to produce repressor messenger RNA because it is a consecutive gene. Okay. A constitutive gene. Next one, for the given sequence of DNA, identify the complementary sequence of bases of its messenger RNA from the options given below. For this question, the correct answer is B. Okay. That is this one. Next, which among the following was the biggest land dinosaur? The correct answer is C. Okay. That is Rex. In a population of plants, some were extremely tall and remaining were extremely dwarf. No plants of the population showed intermediate heights. The type of operation of natural selection in the above cases, option A, disruptive, is the correct one. Guys, please comment it below the right answer if any wrong option is showed in this video, so that many people can be benefit from your comment to find out the correct which one is the correct answers. Okay. Thank you.